Hello friends, today we check how to resolve ABCD problem over Ubuntu. Let's open the terminal, create a file, hello world, open the file in editor mode. As is blank, nothing appears. Click I button, then write down something randomly. Then enter and go further down and try with left, right, up buttons. So something weird is coming, right? A, B, C, D, which we don't require at all. So for that, what is the solution? So for that, let's write down the command sudo apt install vim, which is jar. Enter and give your system password. Okay. Then press Y button. It will take few minutes depending upon internet speed and system configuration. So while it's loading, I have to tell something that please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so now let's wait for 1 minute more. Okay, 40, 60, 80, 95%. I think it will take 2-3 minutes more. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 and boom. So clear the screen, clear. Once again, open the hello world file, press I button. Look button of the terminal, insert is showing, which was not showing previously. Let's type hello guys, how are you, and press enter. Then go further down, try with up, down, left, right buttons. So nothing is there, so there is no ABCD issues, right? Okay, save and quit after trying those things. Okay, now check the output of this file. Okay guys, thank you, take care and bye bye.